What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this weed and grass unaliver. This stuff is called Spruce. I have never used this stuff before. And as you can see, look at the patio. Yeah, we we have been slacking this spring. All right, well, spring is past now. We already in summer, so we slacked during the spring, and a bee is trying to sting me. So we have been slacking during the spring, but we are going to kick it back up a notch. We are going to ramp it up. And I just got finished spraying lawn and weed unaliver over there, and now we are going to spray grass and weed unaliver over here. All right, so once again, this is a new brand, never tried it before. I don't have nothing else to do a brand versus with, so here we are. So I'm going to just use this stuff. I will be using probably the whole can. For some reason, it don't seem like you get that much in the can, and I have to say that this stuff is very pricey. You guys, you gotta be a baller to be buying this type of stuff. All right, so I bought it, want to test it out. If it works, then I'll say it's worth it. For something to be new to the scene for me, shouldn't cost that much, but it is what it is. Everybody need their money, and let's go ahead and get into it. Here it says safe for people and pets right there. So there we go. And I barely could read, you guys, because the sun is out beaming. And let me see, anything of importance. It says analyze all types of weeds and grasses. All right, one bottle treats up to 60 weeds. So you got to aim the bottle down. All right, so we are going to go ahead and get into this, you guys. Usually when you spray this stuff, you're supposed to be in think above 70 degrees weather and all of that, but I don't see nothing here. And if I do see something, I'll let y'all know at the end of the spray. You have to twist on the lock side to unlock it. So see, that's locked. And then when you twist where it says to lock, so you twist it so that don't match, and now you can spray. All right, you guys, let's spray this thing before I get frustrated. One thing I have to say, I always say it. I do this every time when I spray chemicals. I give y'all a warning. Before y'all spray chemicals, always make sure you wear your proper PPE. Make sure you wear your gloves. So whatever gloves you can wear to prevent chemicals getting on your hands. Make sure you wear long sleeves. I don't really get skin irritation like that, so I usually wing it out. I just make sure I have my water boots on, which I don't have, but I make sure I have water boots on, long sleeves, long pants, and stuff like that if you have bad skin irritation. Uh, and, and if not, some people just do this in their flip flops, right? But I would advise you to wear your proper PPE. Okay, so let's go ahead. We're gonna spray. It says works in 1 hour. I'm spraying everything. Oh, hopefully I don't kill my grass. Look at all that tall. You see the tall weeds? You know what they said? They said, oh, this stuff don't smell bad. I'm not telling you to sniff it or anything, but they said if the world didn't have humans in it, then grass will take over the world or something like that. Y'all can find that phrase for me, but that's what they said, and I definitely believe them. Now I know I'm not going to get all the weed. I'm just going to clear up what's visible, and the wind is bringing this. Hold up. I know that's not it. No, no, no. Not for the price of this can. Price of this can, you should last me a long way. Got a lot of work to do. Clean up my patio. You guys, this stuff is not spraying out strong. It's empty, you guys. This stuff, nah, bro. You guys, this stuff better work in an hour. we gonna, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna get my action camera, and we are going to see how this stuff turned out in an hour. I'm not playing. All right, let me go ahead and get my action camera because we want to catch this in real time. All right, so I'll catch y'all in about an hour. I'm not waiting 5-10 days. No, this getting uploaded the same day, or maybe the next day because I got to edit. But yeah, 1 hour. You got 1 hour, Spruce. You have 1 hour. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna do a cool video. That way, I'm gonna have Spruce right here, and then we'll do a cool thumbnail before and after. Hopefully, it works. Wow, look at this. Like, this is quick, fast, efficient. Only thing I can say is worth the money, man. It's worth the money. Remember that big tall weed that we sprayed? It's done.
Tomorrow for sure.
All right, everyone. So we are 24 hours later, you guys. Well, it's like 22 hours later, but you know, it is what it is. All right, it's a little wet over there because I put water in the bird bath, but you guys, this is probably one of the greatest turnouts I have ever seen. That's it, you guys. The only thing with this is you have to pay the price. Roll the dice, pay the price. That's how it's going to go with this product right here. If you're doing a big area, just know that this product is not cheap. Okay, it's not. But yeah, it's effective, as y'all can see. Very effective. I mean, look at it. Look, all brown, all dead, unalived. All right, you guys, so that will be it. And this stuff smells sweet, and it brings the bees to you. Just to let you know that it attracts bees. So yeah, and again, is people and pets safe? All right, and you gotta go upside down, but there you go. People and pets safe. All right, you guys, so that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.